Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles doesn't actually contribute to the development of arthritis. However, there is the potential to cause injury to your hands if done improperly or with too much force.
Take our lead.
The bottom line, according to research, cracking your knuckles isn't harmful. It doesn't cause arthritis or make your knuckles larger, but it can be distracting or loud to people around you. Breaking a habit like cracking your knuckles can be hard, but it can be done.
Take our lead.
In moderation, the answer is no. Studies have shown that occasionally cracking your back can help relieve pressure in your spine without adverse effects. However, when done habitually, popping can cause excessive wear on your joints and potentially lead to premature breakdown.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The sound your toe joints make when you bend or crack them can be harmless, or they can be a signal of serious health issues like arthritis, especially if other symptoms are present. Other conditions that can cause cracking toes include past toe injuries, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, bone spurs, and gout.
Take our lead.
Why people crack their knuckles? When a person cracks their joints and these nerve endings are stimulated, the person experiences a sense of release of pressure in the joints. This can also cause the muscles around the joint to feel more relaxed and the joint to feel more mobile.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.